Today, we're diving into the world of Android TV boxes with an in-depth review of the X96Q. Priced at just $8, this compact device promises to transform your TV into a smart entertainment hub. The X96Q is powered by a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor, coupled with a G31 OpenGL 3.2 GPU, ensuring smooth performance and crisp graphics. Running on Android 10.0 OS, it comes into configurations. Optional: 1 GB RAM plus 8 GB ROM with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. Option B: 2 GB RAM plus 16 GB ROM with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. One of the standout features of the X96Q is its support for H.265 encoding, enabling you to stream 4,000 content at 60 FPS with HDR support. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, the X96Q delivers stunning visuals and immersive audio. The X96Q offers both wired and wireless connectivity options, with support for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Ethernet. It also features two USB 2.0 ports for added convenience, allowing you to connect external storage devices or peripherals. Plus, with OTA updates, you'll always have the latest features and improvements. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including 1 X96Q Android TV box, 1 remote control, 1 power supply, 1 HD cable, 1 user manual,